iHire's multi-user tools are designed to simplify the hiring process for organizations with multiple divisions or entities. With iHire, you can easily manage hiring efforts for each team separately, display unique branding, and post jobs for individual organizations. Adding a new organization is simple. Just click Company Profile on the navigation bar. Select Add Organization, enter the name and location, and click Add Organization. You'll now see that organization in your list where you can create a free company profile. Please note that only organizational admins can add or delete organizations. To delete an organization, select Delete an Organization and choose the organization you wish to delete. If you have any questions, your Customer Success Manager's contact information can be found on the homepage. You can call them directly, schedule a call, or send them an email.